Hello and welcome back to our eLearning help channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you some tools that will be your bread and butter, awesome ones you want to have in your back pocket for eLearning days. I'm going to show you how to make them. Now, just know that at any point in time, if you want a slower tutorial or one with written instructions, so you can kind of reference it anytime you like, log on to itslearning and go to BCSC Connect. And when you go to BCSC Connect, on that home page for that course, there is an itslearning icon here. And if you click that, it takes you to a folder. If you go to itslearning tools, training and how-tos, there are guides on how to make and use all of these different tools on itslearning. So it's just a really helpful place to go. If you have a question, if you need help, some of the tools I'll be showing you today, I have guides that I put on here for those specific tools. So the first one I'm going to show you that is really your bread and butter on itslearning is the page tool. And it's one that you probably have used before and will most likely use in some way, shape, or form on an eLearning day. So if I go to my itslearning course, this is a test course that I have made, I'm going to click the add button. And the items that show up here are the most frequently used items on itslearning. And if you notice, a page is one of those items. So if I click page, this is where I can customize and do all these awesome things. And the reason why I say a page is your bread and butter on itslearning is because it is such a flexible tool. It's very UDL friendly, and that's why I really gravitate towards it and why I would recommend that you use this tool on a virtual learning day. So let's give our page a title, eLearning Day. And to make all this fancy and make the magic happen, we're going to add content blocks. Add a content block, and I would go with rich content. That's where you have a rich text editor where you can insert pictures, links, audio recordings, and videos all in one. So let's do rich content. You don't have to give it a title, but you can if you would like. I typed that before, so it remembered it. And then this text box is where I can insert different items. Maybe that's my lesson goal for the day. So I write it out. I can do some, oh, whoa, not that. I can do some simple formatting. Bold, there we go. If I wanted to record and insert an audio recording of myself reading or a video of myself doing that goal, I hover over any one of these buttons. It's going to tell me what it does. So I can do an audio recording. You'll have to give it permission to use your microphone the first time. I click record. This is where I can do it, but since I'm making a recording right now, it won't let me. If I want to do an audio recording, I can do that. If I want to do a video, I click the little video icon. Same thing, this video is being used right now for me to make the screencastify, but it gives me a preview here, and this is where I can record, stop and play, and then it automatically inserts it. And if I wanted to add a picture icon, I can either upload one here that I've saved on my device by doing upload and insert, or if I want to do a faster way, I have an image that I want to use from Google. I can copy that image, go back to itslearning, and paste it here. Ask me to do the keyboard shortcut, so I will. And then paste the image there, and then I can resize it and do whatever I like. So that's kind of how you can add some content there. If I wanted to add a link, maybe a link to a Google slideshow, I could click the link button here, and I can insert a link. If I'm done with that content block, I'll click OK, and I can change my layout. So this is how you use the page tool on itslearning. You can add additional information here. If I want to do a poll and ask my students, how are you? Click OK, and it will save.